Are you walking in Grandma's shoes? Silly goose.
Yeah.
Yeah? They look kind of big on you. Aiden, you can talk a lot better than you could when I visited you 3 months ago. Are you going to talk to Grandma?
Okay.
A park?
Yeah.
Well,
How to?
I think later this afternoon we might be able to do that.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
What do you got there?
I got two.
Why?
I got two.
Why?
Bye. I got two.
Whose shoes are those?
Boo.
Are they Aiden's shoes?
Oh, eight two.
Where's your shake car?
This car. It's 18.
Where's your airplane?
It's done.
It's done?
Go.
Is it in the kitchen?
No.
No?
No.
Where?
Okay.
Do you want me to help you put on your shoes?
Yeah.
Okay.